All right, guys, what's up? This is Mark Augustine here. And in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to respond to a comment that was recently made. It was about promoted listings and the percentage of sales that you get from promoted listings compared to organic. And if you are a brand new seller, this is important to you. If you are an experienced seller, I could give you some insight about what may be happening if the majority of your sales come from promoted listings or not. So like the video, subscribe. I'll be going into my computer and showing you guys some actual data and getting from that. Also, if you have any comments and questions that you want me to answer in a video, you could put those questions in the comments and I'll make a video specifically for you. If you would like a 15 to 30-minute call with any help with your eBay dropshipping business, I'll put a link to my calendar where you can schedule a call with me. Anyway, like, subscribe, let's get into the video. Okay, so what you guys are seeing are the comments. So this comment comes from Iron Peak Strategy LLC. He says, because promoted listings are 70 to 80% of sales. Now, first of all, that comment assumes that 70 to 80% of his sales are coming from promoted listings. And what I would say to that is that if 70 or 80 of your sales are coming from promoted listings, you are not listing high selling items. So your organic are not getting traffic and you're only getting sales from the few sales that are coming from you paying for promoted listings. Because from what I've seen, so let me jump into one of my accounts here. So if I go to performance traffic, you can see, you could compare the amount of traffic that comes through organic and comes from promoted listings. And when I go to sales, right, so as you can see on this account, in this time period, the percentage of promoted sales are about 47%. Last month on this account, it was 33%. And if we look back at Ben's video, and I could clip in a bit of Ben's video here, we did a look at his account as well. And you could also click back and check that full video. So if you look at Ben's account, he as well is getting about 30% promoted listings. Now, why is this important? What am I talking about? Why are you watching this video? So if you are drop shipping on eBay and you're not currently using promoted listings, you're giving up 30 to 50% of your sales. Now, there's some of you guys, there's some accounts, some old accounts, some slightly suspended accounts or brand new accounts where promoted listings may not appear. That should not stop you from dropshipping on eBay because you still have that 70% if you list correctly that can generate sales. And if you're one of those guys like the gentleman that commented, and you could edit it, and 60 to 80%, as he says, 70 to 80% of your sales are coming from promoted listings, I will look at, if you're drop shipping on eBay, I will look at your strategy and how you're listing and actually put more focus on finding items that sell regularly using data, whether you use Ecom Sniper, Zeek Analytics, whatever. So like, subscribe, link in the comment section, link in the description to my group, to my calendar. Leave a comment so I'll answer your question. Peace.